Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited gems in the Pixel Gun 3D. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, so let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called ZooMods. It has a ton of mods for apps and games. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website, guys. We're going to download this Pixel Gun 3D like modded version, which will give us unlimited money. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in Pixel Gun 3D. So as you can see, guys, it says Pixel Gun 3D mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane and it actually works. So if we go to the App Store and type in Pixel Gun 3D, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I would not encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, we go to the in-app purchases, look how much it is. So yeah, guys, if you want to get everything for free, all you got to do, guys, is just go to ZooMods. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane and it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys. This is just super crazy. I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. You just gotta type in Pixel Gun 3D and you're good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super awesome. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. This is super insane. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully working, unlimited money, guys. So yeah, see you guys in another video, and peace out, gang.